How many times have you stood there and looked in your closet at all those clothes and said, I don't have anything to wear? So that's why I've curated this 14-piece capsule wardrobe for 9 days of work looks. I really wanted different textures, different colors. The color story is based off of the yellow stripe in this plaid pant, and I'm loving it, as well as the red and the floral print on the shirt. I am just about those Halloween type colors. So I'm anchoring everything with black and then just adding really bright pops of color. I love that floral print. And then as far as textures, I'm bringing in a chunky mustardy yellow sweater, and then I've for my shoes I've got mostly neutrals, different finishes, but that pop of color with the red and the black patent flat. What's in the capsule? A plaid pant with a yellow stripe, pencil skirt, tweed wide leg pants, dark wash jeans, a floral shirt, a black sweater, a red shirt, a yellow sweater, a black knit top, and a moto blazer. So let's get started. I'm going to start out with jeans and a floral top, as well as the yellow sweater, along with the red and black patent flats. Now, looking back at this, I probably would have tucked the shirt in because it's cutting me in the wrong place, but you know, you live, you learn. For look 2, I wanted to do the plaid pants with the black sweater and the moto blazer, along with the gray slides. I just love this look. It's just so nice. I like the contrast. I decided to use a really bold necklace with this look. I just felt like it needed it. And then for look 3, a pencil skirt, the red ruffle shirt, and the black knit top. And I am pairing it with nude heels. I really like how this turned out. It's a super powerful kind of look. I think great for an interview or a big presentation. For look 4, I went with a tweed wide leg pant, the floral shirt, and the black knit top, along with the gray slides. And I love this look as well. I like the pop of blue and the yellow that's going along with our color story. I just think it's really refreshing. With look 5, I wanted to go really simple and casual, so I'm using my plaid pants, a black sweater, and my casual slides. And wow, I love this look. This is a great alternative for a casual Friday if you don't want to do jeans. This is a nice way to take it down and still stay really stylish. For the next look, I paired up the tweed wide leg pants, the red cuffed shirt, black sweater, and gray slides. I really like the way this look came together. This is another interview look I think that I would sport, or for a big presentation. I just like how pulled together it looks. And then I decided to pair it with a really bold necklace to kind of pop against that black. For look 7, I opted for the plaid pants, the red cuffed shirt, and the black knit top, alongside the black and red flats. I just thought that this was a really nice ensemble for the day. Even though the stripe in the pant is pink, it picks up red or pulls red from far away, so I thought it would be a good pairing, and I just like how nicely pulled together that looked. We're going to start out with tweed wide leg pants, the floral shirt, and the black moto blazer. And this is a quick come together outfit. Doesn't really require a lot of thought. I like the nude heel because it plays off on the pale yellows that are in the shirt. And I just really like this look. It's very easy. And we're just going to pretend like look 9 didn't happen. So that's why we're bouncing to look 10. And we're going to do jeans, the red cuffed shirt, and the black knit top alongside the black and red flats. I really like this. It takes this look down a little bit, but still keeps it very, very stylish. I love those cuffs. I think they're so pretty, and I just like how that looks all pulled together. It's a nice dress down Friday kind of thing. What about accessories? I like bold accessories. I like dainty accessories. Just make sure that if you're wearing something bold, that you don't wear another bold piece with it. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Please subscribe for more, and I will see you in my next upload. Bye.